On a scale of 1 to 10, what is the performance? 1 being the lowest, 10 being the best.
I'll give it 5.
5, so that's average. Elaji?
I'll give it 6 because most of the work is with the governors.
Okay.
Not really. For the president, I think he has done his part in terms of giving them the resources, in terms of even coming in and supporting them as national government in some of the projects that they really needed. And one of the things the governors also need, and going forward maybe, you see the Constitution says if you feel this function, you need capacity.
Yeah.
You have a right to write to national government and request for that capacity. But most of the governors did not take really advantage of that.
Okay.
But I know in health they've done that. That's why maybe you'll find health has gone in a different way. But in other functions and other things, let them work closely with the national government for the benefit of your people.
Yeah.
Work with the national government to ensure big projects. And I'm hoping even going forward, the new governors and those who will come in 2022, that you are able to sit as a whole regional bloc and agree that this function is for us all to benefit. How can we work, the 4 of us, put our monies together and build a capacity for our people? It can be either a road you want to go through the counties, it can be either the trade we are talking about, it can be, let them work together. It's for the benefit of our country. But this thing of everyone doing their own small things, and so one county excels, the other one is behind, people are wondering, what just happened? Why is that one excelling and it has less money from our revenue shareable that comes than us?
But when you say they do have the CIDP, the County Integrated Development Plan, or is it that nobody sticks to it?
Nobody sticks to it. I would tell you for free, we do public participation of it. Now, when it comes, you find, do you know the biggest challenge of devolution is that you have dockets. So you have 10 CCs. But when you ask the CC, how much is your money? They might not even know. Why? Because when you are doing now your budget, you come with your list, these are the things you want, so the governor will approve this. But if the governor will run the county as a national government, and a few governors are doing that. That's why some of their counties are excelling. That health, this was the money of health. This is the money of routes. This is the money of markets. This is for the devolution structure, that the administrative structure that we have. People will find themselves running the county just like the way national government is run. But the moment you decide you want to put it in a central place and you decide what is for procurement and what is not, and this is not a better sector, this is better, you'll find yourself in challenges.